What's up guys? So na-cancel yung ano. Actually dumating yung pizza, dumating yung timing belt kit ng Audi S-Line around 3:30. Ayun lang. So sabi ko babalik ako next week because timing doesn't need to be like in a hurry, no? It takes time. Doing a timing belt takes time because you know timing is everything. Very important. You can mess around with brakes and everything on the car, every part of the car, but not the timing, because you fuck up the timing, that's very expensive to repair. Timing is everything. Once you fuck up the timing, then you're gonna have to say goodbye to your career. Okay, so reschedule natin next week. We'll be back there at the north side of Dublin. Balikan natin yung Audi E6 na S-Line. Actually natanggal na natin yung timing belt niya. And then kalaunan binalik na din natin dahil mali na yung timing belt kit supposed to be na ipapalit natin, hindi ko rin na double check. So actually it's good. The good thing is we know already that the water pump is due because meron ng latak, meron ng marka ng nagli-leaking or na symbols na nagli-leaking yung kanyang water pump. So sinabihan na rin natin na may-ari na ano should change the water pump as well, not only the timing belt. Kung bibili kayo ng timing belt guys, situate na ano, timing belt kit na, because if you said timing belt kit, that's the whole thing, like including the water pump and everything, gasket and everything. So and then obviously the timing belt, it lasts about 9 to 10 years after the change, after changing the timing belt. That will take, timing belt that will take 9 years, 10 years. But if I were you, don't wait until 10 years or 9 years or 90,000 kilometers. Don't wait. Early to change the timing belt, much better, because you know, timing belt really important thing. Is the heart of the movement of the engine. So once the timing belt snaps by any reason, that will worst scenario. That's very expensive thing to do, like rebuild the engine. So if I were you, I will change my timing belt like 5 years, 5-6 years, or 6 years or 8 years early than the due time. The early to change the timing belt is the good thing, the earliest as possible. But if you don't have budget, then you can wait 10 years, 9 years, or 90,000 kilometers, whatever. But you should, if you have car, you should have a budget for the changing of timing belt. So yan lang guys, babalikan natin yung ano next week. So yan lang po ang paalala natin. Magpalit kayo ng timing belt. Ugali magpalit ng timing belt early than 10 years or 9 years. Huwag kayo magpapalit pagka ano, paabutin nyo ng 10 years or 9 years, no. Much earlier than that is okay. timing belt is just cheaper than the engine rebuild. So kano lang naman yung timing belt kit kaysa masira yung makina niyo. And then obviously yung mga Audi, obviously mga 6 liters yan coolant. So buy timing belt kit and then 6 liters coolant pagka magpagawa kayo sa sasakyan. Or any other cars like Volkswagen, Citroen, normally just buy 6 liters just in case need top up. So yan lang guys, may video tayo mamaya i-upload which is post alarm na video kasi nawawmali yung pisa, no? So any problem with cars, text or call maybe. At saka pagka nagpa-schedule kayo ng sasakyan, talagang pagka-schedule na talaga. Huwag nyong ika-cancel dahil pwede po ma-move forward po ito, like ma-extend po ito. Kasi we are very busy. We are loaded this weekend. So, you know guys, every weekend lang ako gumagawa ng sasakyan. So, pagka nagpa-schedule kayo, see to it na ma-postpone yung schedule. Do not cancel because if you cancel, your car schedule will be moved on to the next week. So, nasa sa inyo yun. Kasi may car schedule or may line up kasi tayo na tinatawag na schedule, line up ng cars na gagawin. So when your car is due for schedule like Saturday or Sunday, then do not cancel, not unless if it is emergency, but obviously you have to fix the schedule because I have to fix the schedule of other cars as well, because some other cars need to be attended as well, no? So you're not the only one I'm serving, doing cars. So if you set schedule like Saturday or Sunday, then that's it. If you cancel, then you may move your schedule to the next following week. That's it, because too busy, no? So thank you guys, bye bye.